Protect, clean, and transform your stone, tile, masonry, and grout with STONETECH professional quality care and maintenance products by LATICRETE. STONETECH BulletProof Sealer by LATICRETE is great for use on countertops, backsplashes, walls, and floors, both inside and outside the home. From granite, marble, quartzite, and limestone to travertine, sandstone, bluestone, flagstone, and Sotillo tile, it seals the most porous natural surfaces. This natural look sealer provides maximum protection from oil and water-based stains and seals using an advanced microbond technology that penetrates into the stone. The unique water-based formula is better for the environment and safer to use and won't darken or change the color of your natural surfaces in any way. Before applying, carefully clean your surface and make sure it's free of waxes and coatings. Mask off any surfaces that will not be treated. The surface temperature should be between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Wait 72 hours before treating new grout installations and an hour after standing water has been removed. To begin, apply a liberal even coat to the surface using a paintbrush, low nap roller, paint pad, or low pressure sprayer. Let penetrate for 10 to 15 minutes and add more sealer as needed to keep the surface wet during this time. Next, thoroughly wipe your entire surface dry and clean with absorbent towels. For more porous stones, apply a second coat 30 to 40 minutes after the first application. Your surface can be used after just 6 to 8 hours, but if needed sooner, use red rosin paper for protection. In 24 to 72 hours, the surface will be fully cured and protected. Keep your natural stone investment looking like new for years to come with STONETECH sealers and daily cleaners. Professional quality products from LATICRETE, the most trusted name in tile and stone installation.